Hi there! So this video is for Netflix lovers. I made a video of the Android TV 9 update for the Mi TV 4X Pro 55 inches in which we got the Prime Videos app but we didn't get Netflix. In the same video I had shown that you can get the Netflix app from the Aptoid TV and it worked perfectly fine. But later did I realize that the Netflix app actually disappears after you restart the TV. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. Though this is not a perfect fix, but it's just a workaround, but it's definitely better than not having Netflix at all. So continue watching and I'll let you know how to get it done. But before that, a huge shout out to Ashok. Ashok is one of my subscribers who wrote the remedy or the workaround in the comments. So a huge thank you to Ashok. Finally, let's begin. The first thing you make sure is that you've downloaded the Netflix Android TV app from the Aptoid TV. Now when you download this app, it will run on your TV for the first time. But when you restart your TV, this app will disappear. But make sure this is downloaded for the first time. Then after you restart your TV, you'll see the Netflix app is missing from the app launcher. Now you go to Play Store and search for App Manager. Install. Once this is installed, you can go back to the app launcher and you'll see App Manager. Click Allow. Go on the top left, you can see there is the App Manager on the top left. Click on that. And you'll see System Apps. You'll come here, scroll down till you see Netflix. Here you'll see Netflix. This is the white one. This is the Android TV Netflix app. Click on this, and if you click Launch App, it will not open. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Uninstall App. And here you'll see Force Stop, Uninstall Updates, and Enable. Click on Enable. Click OK. And there you go. Netflix app will show up. And you don't even need to log in every time. Just the first time you logged in, the credentials are already saved. There you go. Netflix app running absolutely fine. Let's just quickly play something. There you go. Playing perfectly fine. Amazing. So Netflix app will work, not a problem at all. So finally, the official Netflix app will start working on your Mi TV 4X Pro 55 inches, but there is one drawback. Now again, when you restart your TV, the Netflix app will get disabled and will not show up. But now you have the App Manager app already downloaded. So once you need to use the Netflix app, just go to the App Manager, go to System Apps, go to Uninstall, then enable it and Netflix is back. Yes, it will take 5 to 10 seconds, but it's definitely a better option rather than not having the Netflix app at all. We hope in the future we get the Netflix app support, but as of now, there is no official confirmation. So this works. It's a 4K TV and you have Netflix running at 4K. Yes, it's a workaround, but it's a great option that finally you can at least use Netflix official app. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback. Also, if there are any questions, do mention them down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.